Spring, a time when the flowers come out and the bees get ready to take nectar. And here is that buzzy little twat that will enjoy the days in the sun of collecting the pollen from the flowers that rise in the morning. Off he fucks, lovely little bee. And here, the predator of the bee, the greedy little bastard, eats from a bird table, even knowing that he's going to get some insects later as well. Here we have the pecker, a close encounter of it feeding, restoring its energy levels so that it can headbutt wood all day long. This bulbous looking bastard looks for a blade of grass, looking for a suitable takeoff point. You can almost hear him say, "Oh shit, a bird." And look at this barbaric bastard. He's decided to take one of his own. The little ant is taking it around, looking for a suitable place to eat, perhaps to share with his friends. He scared this one off though. And so, there we have it. Spring, where the birds and the bees get along together, recreating the next dispatch of utter ball bags. Lovely.